Question number 10 is a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. So, a monkey is sitting inside a water tank. Okay, children. So, there is a water tank and the monkey is sitting inside that water tank. So, inside the water tank, we are having some steps. So, imagine this is inside of that water tank. So the monkey is here. This is the monkey is at the topmost step and the water level, right? The water level is here in the 9th step. Imagine this is our 9th step. Okay. So they have given that the monkey is in the top of that step and water level is at the 9th step. First question. So now the monkey, he is jumping 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. The monkey is jumping 3 steps down and 2 steps up. So from here he is jumping 3 steps down. 1, 2, 3. Through 3 steps he is jumping down and 2 steps he is jumping up. So from here 1, 2. He is jumping 2 steps up. So 3 I have represented that side and 2 this side. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Okay, they are asking in how many jumps he will be reaching the water level. So the water level is at the 9th step, right? So from 1 to 9 he is moving. So when he jumps down, when the monkey jumps down, right? So it is jumping down 3 steps. So that 3 step jumping down. So from 1 to 9 he is reaching, right? So we are representing it as positive integer. And monkeys jump up, right? Jump up means he is again going back. So we have to represent it as negative integer. Can you identify the difference between these two children? Why down is positive and up is negative? Because from 1 to 9 he has to move, so he is moving 3 steps positive and again he is moving 2 steps up, that is negative. So the question is in how many steps or in how many jumps, in how many jumps the monkey will reach the water level, they are asking. So in first jump. So first jump actually he is from step 1, he is jumping 3 steps, right? So which is plus 3. So he will reach 4th step. In the first jump, the monkey is reaching the 4th step. Then second jump. So first jump is up and first jump is down. He is jumping down and second step is he is jumping up, right? So jumping up. From 4th step, he is jumping up. So which is negative, minus 2 we have to give. So 4 plus into minus we will get minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is second step. Now the monkey is in the second step. Okay children, the monkey has to reach the 9th step, right? So then he is taking the third jump. So third he is jumping. First he is jumping down, then jumping up, then again jumping down. Okay. So from second step he is jumping down. How many steps he is jumping down? 3 steps, right? So 2 plus 3, he will be in the 5th step. How many, in which step he is? In the 5th step. So again from 5th step he is jumping, 4th time he is jumping. Now he is jumping up. So from 5th step he is jumping up 2 steps. So 5 plus of minus 2. Okay, so plus into minus we will get minus 2. Now he will reach the 3rd step. Okay, when he jumps upright, he will be reaching the 3rd step. Okay, now he is taking the 5th jump. So 5th he is jumping. So he jumped up in the 4th step, then jumping down. So from 3rd step he is jumping 3 steps down. So he will reach the 6th step. Okay children. So from 6th step he is going to take the 6th jump. So 6th time he is jumping up. Okay, so from 6 he is jumping up 2 steps. So 6 minus 2 he will be at the 4th step now. Can you able to follow, children? Why we are taking up, down, up, down, up, down, right? The monkey has to reach the water level, which is at the 9th step. So for going down, right, he can't go down directly. What he is doing is, first he is jumping 3 steps down, then he is jumping 2 steps up. So he is coming down and he is going back, coming down, going back, like that he is doing. Okay, children? Now 7th jump he is going to take. So 7th he is jumping down. So from 4th step he is jumping down 3 steps. He will reach the 7th step. Okay, children. So in this 7th jump he is reaching the 7th step. Then 8th jump. So 8th jump he has to jump up, right? So jumping up, so from 7 he is jumping up 2 steps, so he will be reaching the 5th step. So from 5th step he is jumping down, 9th time he is jumping. So 9th jumping down, so from 5 he will reach 5 plus 3, 8th step. So which step he has to reach, children, in order to get the water? He has to reach the 9th step, right? He has to reach the 9th step, so only he will get the water. So again he is jumping from 10th step. From 8th step he is jumping down 10th time. Jumping up, so 8 plus of minus 2. Since he is jumping upright, if he is going up, it is negative. So we will get 8 plus into minus, we will get minus 2. He will reach the 6th step. In the 10th jump, he is reaching the 6th step. Then 11th jump he is doing. So now he will be jumping down, right? So jumping down. So from 6th step he is jumping down 3 steps. So 6 plus 3, 9. So finally he reached the 9th step. At how many jumps he reached the 9th step, children? 11 jumps he made. See from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In the 11th step he is reaching in the 11th jump he is reaching the 9th step. It is clear, children? Finally, the monkey got the water level at the 9th step. So he reached in the 11th jump. So 11 times he is jumping. How many times he is jumping, children? 11 times. Okay. Then we will see the second part in this one. So the second question is, after drinking water, he wants to go back. He jumps 4 steps up, then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps he will reach back to the top step? Now the monkey has reached here. Okay, the monkey has reached the water level, and again he has to go back to the first step. Okay, for that he is jumping up 4 steps. So from here he is jumping up 4 steps. Okay, and after reaching that he is jumping back 2 steps. Again he is jumping down, again 2 steps. But here he is jumping up 4 steps now. Okay, so in how many jump he will reach the first step, they are asking. Okay, children. So here also the monkey jumping up, right? So jumping up 4 steps. How many steps he is jumping up? 4 steps he is jumping up. So here if he jumps up, right, he will be going to the previous value, right? So we have to represent it as negative integer. And jumping down now. So jumping down, right? So jumping down means he is going to the next value, so which is positive integer. Are you able to follow, children? Okay, so now the monkey is sitting in the 9th step, right? So first jump. First he is jumping up. So from the 9th step he is jumping up, which is minus 4. So 9 plus minus 4. Plus into minus we will get minus 4. So 9 minus 4, which is 5. So now the monkey will be in the 5th step. So first jump he is reaching the 5th step. Okay, but he has to reach to the first step, right? So second he is jumping again. So second jump, so he is jumping down. So down means it is positive, right? So 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 we will get 7. So now he is in the 7th step. Now he is in the 7th step, children. So third time he is jumping. So third he is jumping up. So which is 7 plus of minus 4. So we will get plus into minus, minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So he will be in the third step now. But he has to reach the first step, right? So again he has to jump. So fourth time he is jumping. Fourth time he is jumping down. So jumping down is positive. So 3 plus 2, he will be in the fifth step. But he has to go to the first step again. He has to jump. So he is jumping for the fifth time. So for the fifth time he is jumping up. Okay, he is jumping up for the fifth time. So from 5 plus of minus 4. Because he is jumping up, right? So it is negative integer. So now we will get 5 plus into minus, we will get minus 4, right? So 5 minus 4, he will reach the first step. So finally, at the fifth jump, the monkey is reaching the first step. So the question is, at how many jump he will reach back to the first step, right? So the monkey took 5 steps to reach back to the top step, that is the first step. Okay, children? Now we will see the third subdivision in this question. Now the third subdivision is, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and the number of steps moved up by the positive integer, represent his moves in part 1. Okay, so in part 1 monkey had moved right from the first step to the 9th step. They have given that part 1 and 2 we have to complete this one. So for part 1 they have taken is at A. So going down for water. So the monkey is going down to water level, right? That is subdivision A. So from the first step he is jumping down, right? If he jumps down, it is represented as negative integer, and if he jumps up, it is represented as positive integer they have given. So he is jumping down 3 step right first. So jumping down is negative integer and jumping up is positive integer. So in question itself they have given, children, so don't get confused. Okay, don't make it into a confused one. In question they have represented, for going down it is negative and jumping up is positive. Okay, clear? Okay, so now we have to represent the going down to the water level. They have given that one, we have to complete that sequence, right? So they have given minus 3 plus 2 plus etc. is equal to minus 8. So we have to check whether it is correct or wrong, we have to check. Okay, so left side we are having so many values, right? That is the jump took by the monkey. Okay, see, the monkey started from first step and he did 11 steps, right? 11 jump he did. In the first subdivision we have seen, no, how many steps he jumped, children? How many jumps he took? He took 11 jumps, right? So from step 1 he have jumped 3 times, right? Only the jump, only the steps he crossed we have tried. Don't want to mention the step here and all. First he took 3 jumps down, so negative. Then 2 jumps up, so positive. Again 3 steps down, negative. 2 steps up, positive. Negative, positive, negative, positive. So like that we have to write for the 11 jumps. How many jumps he made? 11 jumps, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10, then 11. So 11 jump the monkey made. So can you see the first jump, 3 step down, then 2 step up. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So finally he reached the 9th step, right? So now what we have to do is we have to add all the negative integers first. Okay, so minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So everything is negative, right? So we can put the negative sign and we can add 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Everything is negative here, right? So what we can put the negative sign and we have to add the 3. See, so 3 plus 3 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 we will get. So minus 18. Then we have to add all the positive integer. So we will get 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. So minus 8 plus 10. So here the two numbers are having different sign, right? So if we subtract, we will get 8 and the biggest number is minus, so minus 8. So what they have given right in the question, so minus 3 plus 2 etc. minus 8, right? So we got the right answer correctly. Therefore, it is correct. Okay, then for B we have to write now. So for B the same. What they have given for going down to the water, right? Sorry. For B, he is going up to the level, right? Up to the first step. So the monkey is moving to the first step, right? So here also, if he is jumping down, it is negative. If he is jumping up, it is positive. So this is going back to first step, going to first step, right? So jumping down is negative. So here he is jumping down 2 step, right? So minus 2, and jumping up is positive. That is, he is jumping up 4 steps, right? Okay, so they have represented it as 4 minus 2 plus etc. equal to plus 8. Okay, so now we have to take the left hand side and we have to check whether we are getting positive 8 or not. So in the previous one we got negative 8. No? Here we have to check whether we are getting positive 8. So totally for going to the first step, he took 5 steps, right? So in the first step he jumped 4 steps up, then 2 steps down, again 4 steps up, 2 steps down, again 4 steps up. So he made only 5 jumps, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also we have to add the positive integers. So 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12 we will get. Then we have to add the negative integer. So 2 plus 2 we will get 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So we got the right answer correctly. Clear, children? So that's all.